Good day, everyone. For me, human resource management or HRM is the process of managing the people in an organization, and it means making sure that the right people are hired. They are trained well and they are motivated to do their jobs. And HRM also takes care of important things like employees' benefits and performance evaluation and building a good relationships between the workers and the company. And HRM is about helping employees grow while also helping the organization reach its goals. That's why I believe HRM is very important in every type of organization.